What you guys just saw there was the light bar by Tzumi, and let me tell you guys, this is only $10. I was walking around Walmart and I saw it and I was like, this thing probably sucks. But honestly, now that I have it and I tested it, my opinion completely changed. We are gonna review this thing and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about it coming up. Yo, YouTube was good. My name is Trey, and in this channel I talk about technology and I do product reviews like the one I'm about to do right now. We're on our way to 200 subscribers, so if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Now let's go ahead and start the video. Now it comes in this blue box and it comes with a remote and a manual. The box is nothing crazy. It tells you that you can customize the settings, that it has a remote, and that there's also an app that you can use in case you don't want to use the remote. Obviously, you can use it on the vertical side, but one of the things that I really like about this light bar is the fact that it has a horizontal side, which will give you a lot more opportunities to put it on different places, pretty much wherever you want. Well, and who's gonna benefit from this? Well, if you're a gamer, streamer, YouTuber, content creator, and you're looking for something to spice your setup, living room, whatever it is that you wanna do for a low price, then you should definitely take a look at this product. Like I said before, it's affordable. I mean, the light bar is only $10. It brings a remote. I don't use it as much. I'm gonna tell you why in a second, but I found myself using the app a lot more. I feel like it's a little bit more reliable, and one of the things that I like is that literally you download the app, you go into the app, and it connects automatically. You don't gotta search for the product, you don't gotta search for the light or do anything like that, which is so amazing. This is how the app looks like. It's available on the Play Store and on the App Store, and here you can play around with the settings. If you have more lights, you can control them through the same app, and you can pick different patterns and just do pretty much whatever you want. Now I will tell you guys some of the things that I don't like about the product and some of the problems that I ran into while I was testing it. And the first thing that I want to talk about is the remote. I'm sorry, this is not funny, but the whole time while I was testing it, I kept using the remote and this thing kept failing on me. Either I will have to be super close to it so it could work, or I will have to move it around trying to find that perfect angle so it can work. That's why I was using the app so much. You will have problems with the controller 100% if you buy this thing. There were two other things that I didn't like about the product. One of them being the USB that it brings. It's kind of short. I wish it was longer. I think if the cable would have been longer, then the experience would have been way better, but yet again, that's me. I know some people don't mind it. And the last thing is the color quality. If you put it up against some of the light bars, for example, the Philips Hue light bar, you're gonna see that it lacks in color. The color quality is not the best, but it's not the worst either. If in the future they can improve the color quality a little bit, then this will be a great product. But I mean, for $10, I still think it's pretty good. Just know, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description if you wanna get it through Amazon or eBay. Just know on Amazon or eBay it's a little bit more expensive. It's on the $18 to $20 range. If you go to Walmart, you can get it for $10. If there's anything else you want me to review or talk about, please leave it down in the comments. If you like the video, leave it down in the comments. I'll take any feedback that you got from me. Twitch is gonna be also down in the description. If you wanna pass by and play some games, go ahead and check that out. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. If you're willing to look past the remote problem and the color quality, then this is a great product. It is a really good budget option, and if you're just starting and you want something cheap like that, then you should definitely go for it. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope you have a great rest of your day and see you in the next video.